You have, by the way, two of these variants or one of the MTHFR? I feel like
Huh?
how would you be so passionate about it if you didn't have them yourself?
I had
I
no
mean, I guess you researched them.
no, I actually, to be completely honest, I was working in I was a geneticist, but working in virology. Like, I just come out of doing a degree. I never thought I'd do a PhD, postdoc, all that stuff. I was working in virology, thought I loved it, but long story short, some animal work came in after about a year. I was like, I couldn't do animal work. It's fine in the lab, just sequencing and
Oh,
now that we've had COVID, everyone would know what I did because I used to look at viruses and try to work out what were the genetic variations that allowed them to jump from an animal to a human. So that's what I used to do,
oh,
work
wow.
on scars and all of that stuff. So I was doing that and then, yeah, had to do some animal stuff. I was like, I got to get out of this. I can't do this anymore. I thought this was my dream job. And then I learned about nutrigenomics. And I was like, oh my God, diet and genetics. And I've always been into exercise and diet. And I was like, this is amazing. And then Michael Fennick is the leader in Australia. He's actually one of the, gurus around the world in nutrigenomics, good friends with Jeff Bland and everyone over in the US. And yeah, so he was advertising this PhD in pregnancy. And to be honest, I wasn't even that interested in fertility. I just wanted to understand how our genes could affect our diet just from my own personal interest. I don't actually, my methylation stuff is actually quite strong, but even though genetically it's not an area that you would focus on, if you were reviewing the gene report, you wouldn't go, oh, methylation. But the reality is the lifestyle I lead, it's still something I want to support because I live life to the max and I love that.